Hello everyone, my name is Kamau Jackson and I'm going to be presenting a code that explains the programming concept of using Java Turtle to be able to draw an equilateral triangle inside of a square with the same sides or same size on each side of the square. So let's go ahead and open up everything so we can get started. So again, we're using Turtle Java. Go ahead and set the world. And we're making the world just large enough that we can do a couple different sizes of this particular item that we're going to be drawing. Next, we're going to set the turtle as T, just for simplicity. And we don't really need to move it around, having it centered to work just fine. Now let's go down to the code, which I've already written in here. It's set for public void, and I've named it draw box triangle. So essentially, it's an equilateral triangle inside of a square or a box. But once you see how this looks, so we can set a different variable so we can make different sizes of this. And as you can see, it basically made us a little upside down envelope. Now the second time that we do this, we can set it for a much larger size. If I can type correctly. Now before I hit this, since the original program sets this to turn at 30 degrees and then start drawing the actual symbol that we've created, and now the turtle is facing due south, it's going to turn 30 degrees again, and you'll see that we almost get a mirror image. However, this is going to be twice the size of the original one because we're going from 75 to 150. So as you can see, again, kind of creates a little envelope. Just wanted to keep it simple and quick. The variable only adjusts the lengths of the sides and the lengths of the lines drawn, while the remainder angles are always going to be constant, or remain the same, I should say, since we have fixed numerals in those particular brackets, and we're not using a variable as we were with the intermittent size that we have in the beginning. So I hope you enjoyed my short little video, and I hope you guys did great on your projects as well. Thank you.